especially small business owners. This is why your business are actually failing this 2026. It didn't just start today. Oh. It started since last year, last 2 years. This is why you are giving up on your business. And this is why you are so discouraged concerning your business. You feel tired. You feel that people are not buying from you. See, I'm going to be telling you that it's your fault. It's your fault that your business are actually falling out of line. It's your fault that your business are actually fading out of the spotlight. So watch this video to the end to listen to everything I'm going to say in this video and some tips that I'm going to be giving to you guys so that you can revive your business, so that your business can survive another year in your hand again. Stick and stay. I'll be right back. We are just going to be diving into this. I don't want this video to be too long. Why your business is actually failing? Because your prices are too high.
Well, I'm not shocked. I'm a little bit shocked.
You bought a 2-piece for $50 and you are expected to sell it for $200. How? Like, are you for real? If it's you, will you buy?
It broke.
Your business are failing on TikTok is because you will be showing your goods only. You don't show your face. Is it the goods we are going to talk to? For example, as I'm a business owner, I sell hair. Yes, I sell hair. If you don't know, I sell wigs. I sell bed sheets. I sell wears, adult wears. You understand? So what you do? I've been seeing a lot of people, a lot of business owners, like small business owner on TikTok. They show their goods only. Like, they'll just put the hair in the picture like this. Wait, now hair won't go talk to. Is it not you that was supposed to respond to us? When you put on the hair, you'll be dancing to like, hey guys, look at it. It's so fine. Hey, fair. You know, it will attract me to buy from you. But no. Some of you, you'll be showing only the hair in the background. You will not show your face. You will not even demonstrate anything. And you think customers will trust you with what has happened to a lot of people. No. It takes by the grace of God for a customer that have never been kind of something bad has not happened before, like buying something online, to trust you. Another thing that makes it your fault for your business to be failing, because when customers reach out on WhatsApp from TikTok, they reach out to you on WhatsApp, you reply so late. Your response are so bad. Like, when a client send you a message, like a potential customers that want to buy most of the things that you advertise online, send you a message, they demand urgent reply immediately. But you choose to reply, maybe you are not online. As a business owner, you should be online 247. Online should be your 5 and 6. You are online supposed to be like this, especially WhatsApp. When you post your videos on TikTok, you finish advertising on TikTok, you don't go on your WhatsApp immediately to check or the phone is with you, and the customer will get angry. Maybe about 10 people reach out to you. How much is this? Say, oh, maybe if you must have put price tag from TikTok, and they reach out to you on WhatsApp, and a customer says, okay, can you deliver to me today? Will I get it this evening or will I get it tomorrow? You took so long to reply. It's very bad. And when you don't get customers, you complain. But when you get customers, you don't even reply. You are not reliable. So these are the things that makes your business die early. It's not that people don't want to buy. Even here on YouTube, customers are here. Plenty. Millions of customers are looking for what to buy on YouTube. I am telling you not to compare to TikTok. So you have to do better. Help you better your sales. Because we have to make money. We have to make money. Is this how we are going to get the money? Is this how we are going to get the money? And one more thing is, when you buy a hair, maybe a short piercing coil, like this is 30 inches. This hair is 30 inches. I don't know if I can stand. See? Have you seen? Yeah. is 30 inches. You buy something like this, let's use CDs for instance. You buy something like this in a vendor in Accra to go and resell. Maybe you buy 20 to 50 pieces to go and resell, and one of these costs you 350 Ghana cedis, and you decided from your place to Accra might cost you transportation, let's say 50 Ghana or 70 Ghana. And when you add that transportation to the hair money, it becomes 370, right? But you choose to sell the hair plus everything you have calculated and put it on top of the hair. You choose to sell the hair for 800 cedis, 850, 1,000. Why adding? Why do you think that your business will not fail? Why the person, if the person can equally go to Accra, the person will get its equal price, 300 cedis or 400 cedis from a supplier or a vendor in Accra, or when she come across someone online also selling the same thing that you are selling, forget it, she ain't gonna buy from you. So these are the things that you are doing to hurt your business so bad. And now that once you start business, maybe you go and buy a t-shirt to be selling, just blink, before even the blink end, multiple people have started selling that same t-shirt. You will be like, I'm the first person that bought it. No. So this is how business actually die completely. You lose interest, discourage, you lose hope. You are thinking of different business to start. So please, after this tip I'm giving to you guys, do better when it comes to business advertising on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Snapchat. Do better, and especially be on WhatsApp to reply people, for Christ's sake. So now let's get into the tips. The number one tip for business reviving: post according to your strengths on TikTok. Post on TikTok about 2 to 3 videos. Leave your WhatsApp contact, and also mount a price in the video. And please hold your products or your goods in your hand, video yourself and sell, please, for trust's sake. Because a lot of people have trust issues which you don't know. Some people can see your video and they like what you are selling, but because you are not showing in the video, they have that kind of trust issues that, you know, like some people will be like, are you sure she's not a scam? Are you sure she won't take my money? Will I see her again? But when you show in the video, by the time customers see your video every time in their FYP, like they will be like, let me buy from this person. So that's how it is. Don't put the product in the video and you will be aside, you will be off the product and you'll be videoing the product. You will not sell much, like you will not sell. Even if you will sell, it takes by the grace of God for you to sell. Because people want to see your face. They want to see the face behind the brand. They want to see the face who is selling the goods, the things that they want to buy. They want to see someone that they will contact if there is any problem. It's very necessary. One other tips I will give here today is that when you go to Accra and buy most of the things, or you import them from Nigeria, you import them from China, please add little profit so that you can gain a lot of customers. This is actual way to gain customers, because if your goods or products are cheap, it will bring you a lot of customers. Even a customer will buy from you and refer her friends to you. You can use that to drag them first. Before as time goes on, you start increasing your goods or your products, your services, anyone. But first, don't put too much profit. You can sell with 100 cedis. You can sell with 50 cedis. Please, this actually kill business, because right now what you are selling, 10 people are also selling it, and wholesalers, suppliers are not doing us better. If a wholesaler can sell the hair for us for 300 cedis, let's assume 300 cedis, and the same wholesaler will set for a retailer 280 Ghana or 300 cedis, that customer will not come to us. that customer rather go to the wholesaler and buy multiple hair from the person. So try reducing your wigs, the prices. Try reducing the clothing prices. Anything you are selling online at all, reduce it. Reduce it. Make sales every month, every occasion. Make sales. Reduce the prices. You will see how you will make money. You will not be discouraged. Business will be hungering you. Business will be doing you. I want to go to market. I want to order another one. That's how it is. Please reduce most of the things that you are selling so that people will not be afraid of your price. Not everybody that is rich. Lastly, when you are on WhatsApp, a video, if you have watched to this time, thank you. Chop kiss. Please subscribe, comment, like this video, and don't forget to share. It might motivate someone out there. Thank you so much. I'll come your way again tomorrow. I love you guys. Please support my channel by subscribing, liking, comment, and share. Thank you. Bye guys. Bye.